How to make 15 gallons of fake blood. In this video we will show you how to make a full packet of party goat blood red slime. Firstly, we fill up a tub with 15 gallons or 57 litres of water. Cut open the resealable pouch. Sprinkle in the powder while giving it a stir. This will help to avoid clumps. Add the whole packet and give it a good stir for about 20 seconds. You can also mix with your hands if you like. At the moment, this is quite a thick blood red slime. This is great for zombie brains, chunky blood splatters, coagulated blood effects, and bubbling blood-filled cauldrons. Just add more water if you want a runnier consistency. This is great for mimicking real blood and gore. This makes it easy to pass through water pumps as well for really spooky Halloween props. Party Goat Instant Slime also washes off easily with a hose. It's perfect for when you need huge amounts of stage and theatre blood. Let your imagination run wild this Halloween and have a gruesomely good time. Please share your creations with us on our socials. We really love to see what our customers come up with. And most importantly, have fun!